Safina Khanam from News Movement Network welcomes you in News Movement English. Now presenting news in English. Ninth round of talks failed. Next meeting of the farmers with the government on 19th Jan. The government asked the farmers to be more flexible in their approach and expressed willingness for necessary amendments as the two sides decided to meet again on January 19th. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar urged farmers' leaders to be flexible in their approach, as has been done by the government. Besides Tomar, Railway, Commerce and Food Minister Piyush Goyal and Minister of the State for Commerce Om Prakash were present during talks with the representatives of around 40 farmer unions at the Vigyan Bhavan. Today's talk with farmer unions were not decisive. We will hold talks again on 19th January. We are positive to reach a solution through talks. The government is concerned about the farmers protesting in cold conditions, says Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. Our demands of repealing of the 3 farm laws and MSP guarantee remain. We will not go to the committee constituted by the Supreme Court. We will talk to the central government only, says Rakesh Tikaith, BKU spokesperson. Next meeting at Vigyan Bhavan at 12th on 19th January. On the other hand, meeting of Farmers Union will be held on 17th Jan to discuss the course of action of the farmers' protest. Sangtodia. Even after the outbreak of bird flu in many states of the country, chickens are being sold indiscriminately in Sangtodia and Nitoria zone shops.
हमारे बीच है एक चिकन व्यवसायी। इनका व्यवसाय है, चिकन से ही इनका सारा दुनिया घर परिवार चलता है। इनसे मैं जानना चाहूँगा, आप ये बताइए कि व्यवसाय आप कितने दिनों से कर रहे हैं?
10 साल।
10 साल से। इन 10 साल में आप बर्ड फ्लू का सामना कितनी बार किए हैं?
जब से हुआ है 5-6 बार।
5-6 बार हो चुका है।
हाँ।
तो इसमें आपका लॉस भी हुआ होगा बहुत?
ना, हमारा कोई लॉस नहीं।
लॉस नहीं हुआ। अभी जो चल रहा है बर्ड फ्लू, इसको लेकर के आपको क्या कहना है? ऐसे बहुत जगह व्यवसाय पर
ये सब
अफवाह है। कोई बर्ड फ्लू है नहीं। अगर है, सरकार इसके लिए कोई एक्शन आपको ली है क्या?
ना।
कोई हिदायत दिया गया है क्या?
ना,
कुछ नहीं दिया गया है। ठीक है, आपका नाम क्या हुआ?
कंभू मासो।
ठीक है, पारवेलिया कुलियरी।
There is no decrease in the crowd of buyers at these shops. It is noteworthy that the news of birds dying due to the bird flu spread in many states remain in the newspaper headlines and channels. But despite this, there is no decrease in the attachment of non-vegetarians to chicken. In these areas, it is normal for customers to visit chicken shops. Kam Ho, who owns a chicken meat shop in Parbelia, Nituria, says he has been running a chicken shop for nearly 10 years and has heard about 4 to 5 parts of the bird flu so far, but it did not matter to them. This time also, there has been no decrease in the prices of poultry meat or buyers. He said that it is all booming. Jagannath, a businessman from Parbelia who has been selling poultry meat for almost 25 years, says that his business has not been affected by the bird flu, nor there has been any drop in prices. He says that neither nor have there been any decrease in buyers since the news of bird flu. Everything is going normal.
पारवेलिया कोलियरी में हमारे बीच एक चिकन व्यवसायी हैं। इनसे मैं जानना चाहता हूं, अभी वर्ल्ड फ्लू चल रहा है। वर्ल्ड फ्लू में आपका कोई नुकसान हुआ है?
ना,
कोई नुकसान नहीं। आपको माल आसानी से मिल रहा है?
हाँ,
माल मिल रहा है।
हाँ।
उस पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है?
ना।
सप्लाई है बाहर का?
हाँ,
सप्लाई है। आप कहाँ से माल लाते हैं?
रानीपुर से, यहाँ राधानगर।
राधानगर से। ठीक है, आप का नाम क्या हुआ?
जगन्नाथ।
इधर आइए 1 मिनट और। ये व्यवसाय आप कितने दिनों से कर रहे हैं?
हाँ?
कितने दिनों से कर रहे हैं?
किस लिए पूछताछ हो रहा, बोलिए तो।
आप पहले बता दीजिए इतना, उसके बाद बता दें।
हम मोटा मोटी 25 साल से कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद। आप
Asansol, 70 police inspectors transferred in the state. 2 of ADPC. The transfer instruction has been issued to 70 inspectors of the State Police, West Bengal. This transfer is considered to be very important before the assembly elections. 2 inspectors have also been transferred to Asansol Durga Police Commissionerate, including those in charge of Raniganj and Kulti police stations. Sandipan Chatterjee will be in charge of Raniganj police station and Asim Majumdar will be in charge of Kulti. CNG auto drivers displayed a huge disturbance in front of the Asansol gas pump for not finding CNG gas in Asansol. Auto drivers have been in trouble due to inability to supply sufficient quantity of gas from Asansol's Jubilee gas pump on Thursday morning. They say at the pump they were told that there is not enough pressure. Due to this, the supply of gas is not well. Auto drivers here say that due to insufficient supply of gas, it is not possible to run the auto all day. Because of these problems, of livelihood have risen in front of them. If the problem is not resolved, then there will be a greater movement. A meeting of minority cell was held in Ward number 26 near Babu Talab Madina Masjid. Around 400 blankets were distributed among poor people. State Secretary Mr. Muhammad Shakil Ansari of Minority Cell of TMC, District President Mr. Syed Afroz, Mr. Muhammad Kamaluddin, Mr. Muhammad Mukhtar, Mr. S.M. Azad, Ms. Farshabi Alia, Noor Alam and Chief Guest Mr. Munawar and others were present. Let us hear what Mr. Syed Afroz said.
मुलाकात का मौका मुयस्सर किया। आज के इस प्रोग्राम की गवाह है हमारे माइनॉरिटी सेल स्टेट के जनरल सेक्रेटरी जनाब कपिल अहमद साहब, हमारे नॉर्थ ब्लॉक 2 के ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट जनाब उत्पल सिन्हा साहब, हमारे माइनॉरिटी सेल के ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट नॉर्थ ब्लॉक 2 के ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट जनाब मोहम्मद इरशाद साहब, हमारे यूथ की ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट फलसफी आलिया, हमारे रियाज वकील साहब, हमारे मुख्तार भाई, हमारे मुनव्वर भाई, कमाल भाई, हमारे मोहम्मद आजाद साहब, सालिक अदीब साहब और आप तमाम हजरात अभी सद एहतराम है कि आप लोगों ने इस प्रोग्राम में हिस्सा लिया और जो भी लोग अपने तौर पर तृणमूल कांग्रेस के कारकुन, जीटी के सिपाही, नई घटक के सिपाही, जो आज इस सर्दी के मौसम में गरीबों के दुख को अपना दुख समझ रहे हैं, गरीबों के दर्द को अपना दर्द समझ रहे हैं। आज मगरबी बंगाल की वजीर आला ममता बनर्जी जिस तरीके से 18 घंटा 20 घंटा काम कर अपनी रियासत को तरक्की याफ्ता बनाने के लिए और मगरबी बंगाल के 10 करोड़ आवाम को सहूलियात दस्तयाब करने के लिए, उनके रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए और उनकी तकलीफों को दूर करने के लिए, उनकी समाजी तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात को मुहैया कराने के लिए और उनको कानूनी तौर पर मजबूत बनाने के लिए ममता बनर्जी मेहनत कर रही है। और हम लोगों के नॉर्थ असेंबली के एमएलए जनाब मलाई घटक साहब भी इसी तरीके से तकरीबन 16 से 18 घंटा काम कर मेहनत कर वो आप लोगों के दरमियान जो हुकूमत मगरबी बंगाल की जितनी भी तरक्याती स्कीमें हैं, फलाही स्कीमें हैं, वो आप लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए कोशिशें कर रहे हैं, मेहनतें कर रहे हैं। आप सभी हजरात इनकी कोशिशों से वाकिफ हैं। इस तरीके से आज हम लोगों के सामने फिर
It's time for a short break. सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th students. Get up to 50% scholarship for the session 2021 to 2022. Motion, Durgapur Center, phone number 9434822278. Welcome back to our channel. Paschim Bardhaman Gord Mahasabha honored chairperson of AMC Administrator Board Amarnath Chatterjee. The following dignitaries were present: President Amarnath Gond, Assistant Secretary Ved Prakash Gond, Mahila President Aradhana Devi Gond, Rasmani Devi, Uma Devi, Legal Advisor P. N. Shah, Ram Narayan Gond, Manoj Shah, Baski Gond, Shivji Gond. Asansol, as a part of nationwide fundraising campaign for the construction of Ram Mandir at Ram Janmabhoomi, campaign has started. On behalf of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and Vishwa Hindu Parishad, the program was started by offering prayer at Bajrangbali Temple at Mahavir, where nearly lakhs of rupees were deposited. The program started on this day under the leadership of Parishosh Saha, Divisional Pracharak of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, District Matri Shakti Chief of Ram Mandir Trust, Sudeepa Ganguly, said that the movement related to Ram Temple has been going for many years. Many Hindus have sacrificed themselves to build the Ram Temple. We are extremely lucky that we have adopted that partnership and have surrendered. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti, we have taken an oath of fundraising in the interest of establishing the temple of Ram Lalla. Ram Lalla will go door to door to raise funds and participate in the temple installation project. We will get full support because this temple is for Hindus, but all people will rise above caste and donate for the temple. On this occasion, Om Prakash Bagadia said, "It is a great pleasure to see the construction of this Ram temple. Hindus from India and abroad will come forward and donate money in the interest of this Ram temple project. It is going to be the largest temple of Hindus. Therefore, above all, everyone should come forward in this construction project." Durgapur, a human skeleton was recovered in the forest near DPL pump house under Durgapur police station. A skeleton wrapped in rotten flesh was recovered 15 days earlier. Before this, a skeleton was also recovered in early December. The seizure of 3 consecutive skeletons caused sensation in Durgapur area. Local resident Samina Bibi said that when she went to fetch wood from the forest this morning, she saw a skull and informed the police. The police came and recovered the skulls and bone. BJP District Secretary Abhijit Dutt said that the skeletons were found in February during the left front rule. Police administration will be informed to carry out the proper investigation. A boy from the area has been missing for a long time and has become a den of antisocial elements in a closed factory area. On 15th January 2021, Friday, 11 a.m. at Bahula Moti Bazar of Pandaveshwar unit under the leadership of respected Dr. Ramesh Vishwakarma, Reverend Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sir, led by Mr. Rabindra Vishwakarma, Chairman of Sarva Vishwakarma Vikas Parishad, a meeting was organized under Vishwakarma Milap program in collaboration with Shri Ramesh Vishwakarma, President of OBC Morcha BJP, and Shri Gopal Vishwakarma. Press call. The following dignitaries graced the occasion: Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Gopal Vishwakarma, Mr. Ravindra Vishwakarma, Mr. Ramesh Vishwakarma, and many others. Let us hear what Dr. Pradeep Kumar said.
समाज के जनक जी हैं, तो उनका बर्थडे है, उनका बर्थडे जो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, प्लीज आप खड़े हो जाए और प्रेसिडेंट सर जब उन्होंने नाम एक ही बात, हाँ रमेश
ठीक, थोड़ा सामने छोड़ दीजिएगा,
थोड़ा सा बगल
साइड कर दीजिए, नीचे कर दीजिए उसको, नीचे कर दीजिए।
और से रखिए वहाँ तो
आप इसको ले लीजिए, हाँ हाँ करते नहीं है, करने से ठीक है, तब प्रोग्राम आप उधर
Asansol. The single and double badminton tournament was held at the prestigious Asansol Club Limited, in which mains were single and double mains consisting of Rakesh Koyal, Bibek Khaitan, Sanjog Brar, Vaibhav Agarwal, and Agnesh Kedia Zeta. The winning players were awarded the trophy by the club president Somnath Vishwal, secretary Shobhaban Basu, and former President Subrata Ghanti, Sports Secretary C. Murali, Club Vice President Gurucharan Singh Bhagwati Agarwal, Gopal Agarwal, Murari Agarwal, Shankar Lal Sharma, Suprabhat Vishwal, Charanjit Singh Bharara, Mandir Kundra, Sunil Sonkar, Gauri Shankar Agarwal were present on the occasion. It's time for a short commercial break.
Only shop in Asansol, which is famous for its uniqueness. This shop is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305 and another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products: meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips.
Welcome back to our channel. Kulti, demand for free water connection in Kulti, DYFI SFI's Maharali from tomorrow. The Maharali will be taken out in the Kulti Assembly area on January 16th and 17th from DYFI and SFI for various demands including free water connection to the public of Kulti. Giving this information during the press conference in the office of CPM Zonal Committee of Kulti, DYFI Secretary Binod Singh said that DYFI and SFI will take out the Maharali in Kulti on the next 16th and 17th. He said that fees have to be waived in schools. Everyone should get a digital ration card. The youth who are intoxicated in the society are getting addicted will have to build a drug-free society. 3 people, including one ECL worker, died in 2 separate road accidents. The 2 incidents took place on Thursday night and Friday morning near Kenda Junction of Jamuria Police Station in Asansol and Nuni Junction of Barabari Police Station. The deceased have been identified as Lakhinder Majhi, 21, of Amloka village under Raniganj Police Station, Akash Hansda, 19, of Dobarna village under Jamuria Police Station, and Ranjit Ghosh, 50, of Bansarkdi in Asansol North Police Station. The late Ranjit Ghosh was an employee of ECL's Mohanpur Colliery. According to the police sources, Lakhinder Majhi and Akash Hansda were coming towards Asansol from Haripur on a motorcycle on Thursday night. At the time, a vehicle hit them near Kenda Junction of Jamuria Police Station and they fled. Both were seriously injured in the incident. He got the news and the police came. The injured were rushed to Asansol District Hospital where doctors declared him dead. On the other hand, ECL worker Ranjit Ghosh was coming towards Bare from Mohanpur Colliery on a motorcycle on Friday morning. At that time, a car hit him at Nuni intersection in Barabani. Police came to the spot after receiving the news. He was rushed to Asansol District Hospital where he was pronounced dead at the scene. 3 bodies were autopsied at Asansol District Hospital this afternoon. Asansol DRM inspects Durgapur Station. Asansol 15 January 2021. Shri Sumit Sarkar Divisional Railway Manager, Eastern Railway Asansol Division inspected Durgapur Station and circulating area. Railway Colony, Lady Railway Police Protection Force, Barrack on 15/1/2021 and gave necessary instruction to the concerned officials. Shri Sarkar also gave instruction to the concerned branch officers for cleanliness of stations, ensuring safety and operational facilities also. Shri CM Mishra, Sir DSC, Shri Sachin Suman, Sir DEN 3, other officers and senior supervisors accompanied DRM during this inspection. Salanpur. Mukesh Singh, a resident of Aladi village, left his motorbike at the firing spot at Bathanbari firing spot in Maithan on Thursday. Kanchan Lahar, a resident of Bathanbari village and a social worker, spotted the motorcycle and immediately informed Amarnath Das, in charge of Kalyaneshwari outpost of Salanpur police station. Amarnath Das, in charge of Kalyaneshwari outpost, and Kanchan Lahar, a social worker, searched for the owner of the motorcycle and handed it over to Mukesh Singh, the owner of the vehicle, on Friday. According to police sources, a man named Mukesh Singh got drunk and forgot his motorcycle at a picnic spot. After searching, the owner of the bike was found and all the documents and his identity card were handed over to him on Friday morning. Never believe that a few caring people can't change the world, for indeed, that's all who ever have. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.